What I work with my clients is between the ages of 40 and 60 are the ages that we need to be supporting super the most. Between 60 and 80 is really the ages that our super needs to be funding us. And if you want to live on $50,000 a year between age 60 and age 80, which is still not a great deal of money, you need $1 million in your super fund. And if we're not putting something into our super fund every year, it's just too hard to get to that mill. And because what happens, is whatever a lot of people think that whatever value is in the family home, you'll free up some of that value for when you retire. But what happens is people sell the family home, and whatever value they get, they tend to put into the next home. So if they've got $1 million house somewhere, they put it into $1 million unit or $1 million townhouse, and there's not a lot of equity freed up. And I see this through our client base all the time. They've thought that they'd have a lot of money, but they just don't. And maybe when the business comes to be sold, they don't get the amount of money for the business that they thought that they might. So it comes down to relying on just the super. So this is why every single year it's really, really important. If you can get 1K in, it's better than nothing. If you can get 5K in, it's better than nothing. But always see the super as a good thing, because there's something I say to my clients all the time is you're going to pay it. You're going to pay tax, you're going to pay, like the money's going to go, you're going to pay it somewhere. So you might as well at least pay it to a place that it's going to be yours in the future. If you pay it to the tax man, it's gone. It's gone forever. So, and the other thing that works extremely well with super, because we get to this time of year and it's hard to find the money to put a lot into super. So if you can just put a regular amount in each month, $500, even $300, whatever it is, I like $1,000 or even $2,000, then you get to the end of the year and you're done. But if you haven't got the cash flow for $2,000, $500 a month is fantastic. At least by the end of the year, you've got $6,000 in, as opposed to nothing.